further strengthen the partnership with the people of Pakistan, in Hyderabad, Consul General Marcus Stroh visited the vaccine unit of the Shah Bhitai Hospital as part of the United States and Sindh government's immunization awareness campaign, Fizaon Se Falak Tak. Consul General Stroh, while interacting with Pfizer vaccine recipients and healthcare workers in Hyderabad, said, "We stand with the people of Pakistan to save lives. I encourage the residents of Hyderabad and the surrounding areas to get vaccinated as soon as possible to protect your families and community from COVID-19. Consul General Marcus Stroh noted that to date, the people of the United States have provided approximately 23 million life-saving doses of Pfizer and Moderna COVID vaccine to Pakistan, the largest such donation to any country worldwide. Consul General Marcus Stroh joined Sindh Chief Minister Syed Murad Ali Shah for a handover ceremony of the Sindh Prisons Staff Training Institute and Prison Management Information System. The projects developed with support from US Mission Pakistan and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime will help bring Pakistani prison practices in line with international standards. Consul General Marcus Stroh launched the English Access Micro Scholarship Program at the Lincoln Corner, Hyderabad. Since 2005, the two-year English language education and leadership program has prepared more than 5,000 Sindh students for educational and professional success. In Jampir, Consul General Marcus Stroh and Sindh Governor Imran Ismail inaugurated a US-funded wind power transmission system to help Pakistan's transition to a cleaner, more sustainable energy mix. The mutual US-Pakistan investment has added 780 megawatts of wind power capacity to Pakistan's national energy grid. In Jamshoro, he visited the Hindu community of Thana Bola Khan, where he met Hindu leaders and the chairperson of National Minority Rights Commission. He paid respects at the Shri Guru Mangal Gir Ashram and reflected upon the shared US and Pakistan belief in a democratic, tolerant, and unified society. At the ashram, Marcus Stroh wished a happy Diwali to all those who celebrate this day in Pakistan, the United States, and around the world.